Hello, it's your girl Bonnie B. Hello. Hello to all my bees. I know my hive has been very quiet, but I'd firstly like to say thank you so much to everybody that supported me while I was in Big Brother and even after Big Brother. I'd just like to really appreciate that, and I love you guys so much for supporting me. Then now let's get down to business, okay? Secondly, I would really like to take this opportunity to apologize to kayb, Big Brother Mzansi, MultiChoice and Lotto Star, as well as Robertson Spices and any other sponsors that were a part of Big Brother Mzansi Umlilo Season 5. I know what I said was quite vile, it was rude, and it was not necessary. So I'd really like to apologize to everybody that was involved in my commentary, as well as my opinion. I know this apology is long overdue, but I did apologize to kayb personally, but I'd just like to take the time to also apologize to her in a public space. And I'd also like to appreciate the fact that I was still given the opportunity to be on Big Brother, as well as show who Bonnie B is, irregardless of what had transpired on the show. And I'd also like to extend my apology to anybody whose sibling, relative, friend, or themselves who had gone through sexual violation, GBV, or anything horrific like that. Right now, I'm just going on a journey whereby I'm trying to rediscover myself and really do a lot of self-introspection regarding the situation. So I'll be doing a virtual diary called 2025. I am a work in progress. And right now we're going to be on the chapter of I'm cleaning out my cluster. And that is exactly what I'll be doing. And in regards to